Hello everyone, this is Devang Katikar from DK Talks. So today's session is very interesting. I hope that you will enjoy it. And so let me begin this session as well with a story. So once there was a king who was unhappy with everything he had in his life. He was unhappy with his subjects, unhappy with his ministers, unhappy with every damn thing he had in his life. बहुत परेशान था बेचारा. So once he told this to his minister कि भाई मुझे इतनी unhappiness क्यों महसूस हो रही है. The minister said, okay, king, you have a solution. I have a solution for that. Outside our kingdom, there is a forest in which a monk lives. You can call that monk to the court and you can ask him this because the monk can provide you with the best solution so that you can get rid of this unhappiness. The king said, okay. So the monk was called to the court. The king told him that I'm feeling literally very unhappy since many years. Can you give me a solution? The monk said, yes sir, I have the root cause of your problem. The root cause is कि आप बहुत सारे colors देख रहे हो. The king said, what? Yes, आप बहुत सारे colors देख रहे हो. Do one thing, you just look at green color. You don't look at any other color in your life, you will be extremely happy. The king said, भाई ये तो कुछ तो अलग ही है. But ठीक है, the monk had to be respected. He was in saffron clothes. So the king ordered all his servants to paint everything in his kingdom green. So that the place where the king looked, there was no other color except green. So the servants began to paint everything green. The houses were painted green. The people had only green clothes. Had to wear only green clothes because the king ordered the same. Everything, the trunks of the trees were painted green. Everything, streets were painted green. Everything was painted green. And finally, after painting everything green, when the servants went into the monk's house and ordered him to remove those saffron clothes that he had worn and to wear those green clothes, the monk told them, please take me to the court. Please take me to the court. So the monk along with the servants went to the court and the king said, भाई आप सामने मत आओ मेरे, आप saffron clothes पहने आपने, आप ही नहीं तो कहा था ना कि I have to only see green color, so you have worn saffron clothes, please change your clothes. The monk said, king, I told you that you will get happiness only after seeing green color. But that doesn't mean that you paint everything in your kingdom green. अगर आपने हरे चश्मे भी पहने होते तो भी सब आपको ग्रीन ही दिखता. Then what was the need to paint everything green in your kingdom? This is the situation with each and every one of us. We do blame everything else. The monk said, you have to change your vision. You have to change your insight. You have to change your attitude. Your happiness and unhappiness is not because of someone else. It's because of yourself, how you perceive the situation. आप एक सिचुएशन में अच्छा देखते हो या बुरा देखते हो, इसके ऊपर आपका अनहैप्पीनेस या हैप्पीनेस डिपेंडेंट है. बाकी चीजों के ऊपर नहीं है. You can see a glass half filled, but you also can see a glass half empty. If you see it half empty, you will get unhappy every time. So why do you want to do that? Students, we are in an era which is very competitive. अगर आपको problems दिखेंगी, you will see a number of problems around you, यार. Certain courses are really tough. They will challenge everything out of you. Every time you will face challenges when you survive in this competition. But yes, keep looking at the positive aspects. Keep looking at the things that will make you happy. Change your attitude. Every situation can be perceived from a positive outlook. Do that and then you can overcome each and every challenge. Challenges are not there to get you depressed. Challenges are there to make you more strong and stronger to face those challenges, conquer them and go ahead in your life. Each and every one of us, if we have this attitude, we can do that. I remember an experience when I faced a failure in my CA intermediate exam. मैंने खुद से कहा था कि भाई ओके आज फेलियर आ गया, 4 बजे रिजल्ट आ गया तो क्या होगा, 6 बजे मेरा बैडमिंटन है, मैं बैडमिंटन खेलते खेलते पूरी मेरी भड़ा शटल पे निकाल दूंगा. ओके दैट्स डन नाउ. नेक्स्ट डे से मुझे पढ़ाई चालू करनी है। आज ठीक है, आज रिजल्ट गलत आ गया, ओके पार्टी कर लेंगे, कल से मुझे अच्छे से पढ़ाई चालू करनी है। दिस एटीट्यूड शुड बी रिफ्लेक्टेड इन ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस, सो दैट everyone will be happy in their own life and everyone will be concentrated on their own careers. No worries, the problems are there to come, but you should be a person who can take them on your chest. So be happy, be concentrated, be positive, change your outlook towards life, and you will be the happiest person on this earth. Thank you, thanks a lot, bye. Keep watching to my channel and please subscribe. Bye.